Let's get to it.
I was blind. Shit. I was blind. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I took a loss. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I was blind. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I took a loss. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I was blind.
Mama ain't raised no fool, yeah. Look, I barely graduated through school, yeah. Young nigga breaking all the rules, yeah. Couldn't tell me what to do, yeah. Broke nigga with no clothes to wear. Mismatch sock, no match pair. Walk around free with no underwear. Little happy head nigga with no shoes to wear. Scared of the world might think of me. See, I don't even like to blink to see. I'd rather have nigga 4 eyes on me, so I can see everything stalking me. Man, I don't need no cat with me. All I need is win some weed. Joints on my feet when I cross the street. A bad little queen with my team on me. Scared that the world might think of me. See, I don't even like to blink to see. I'd rather have bitches 4 eyes on me, so I can see everything stalking me. Man, I don't need no gang with me. See, all I need is money and weed. Joints on my feet when I cross the street. A bad little bitch with a team on me.
I was blind,
hey,
but now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. Took a loss. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me.
See,
I was blind. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I took a loss. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I was
on my way to the top of the mountain. Once had a vision, I lost and found it. My kids kept me mud made and grounded. Even when I felt I was drunk and drowning. I remember being out of my county. Didn't know shit, I was always clowning. Big head nigga from Lucas County. Left locked up with nobody around it. Had to open my eyes, just get up and get out. Figure out a way to get in and chill out. Accept my flaw, receive my blessing, and see my way through my ups and downs. Took my law, but now I see everything clear right in front of me. This about the time I stretch and reach. Monday through Sunday, I don't get no sleep. Had to open my eyes to just get up and get out. Figure out the way to get in and chill out. Accept my flaws and receive my blessings, and see my way through my ups and downs. Took me a loss, but now I see everything clear right in front of me. This about the time I stretch and reach. Monday through Sunday, I don't get no sleep.
I was blind.
See, I was blind.
But now I see.
Big
hopes and dreams.
In
front of me. Took a loss. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I was blind. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I took a loss. But now I see. Big hopes and dreams. In front of me. I was blind.
See, I was blind. Man, blind to the fact. Blind to the bullshit.
I was blind.
Blind to everything. Had to open my eyes and get up and get out. Realize it's the only way to get out.